Hey, what's up guys? Hank is here, your Builderall training support specialist and network marketing slash MLM. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, good night. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how hot is your lead. And when I say hot, I don't mean sexy and good looking. I mean like how good are they in the process of your funnel. As you know, in the industry, we have what is called cold leads, meaning you don't know them, they don't know you don't know anything about them. Then you have warm leads, where the lead knows a little bit about you, they opted in, they saw something that you offer them. Then you have really hot or just hot or red hot, whatever you want to call it, leads, meaning they already opted in, they know about you, they know what you're pitching, and they might be or they are ready to purchase whatever it is that you're offering them. Usually people that create products of their own, they track this, the warm leads, cold leads, hot leads, and they're able to do this by using certain softwares and tools that are called CRM. Now, what is your CRM? That is your customer relation manager, right? Or management tool or software, whatever you want to call it or want to use. But here within Builderall, we have a CRM, as you can see right here, CRM, because I know I don't use it that much, but I've been recently using it that much because I totally forgot that this is really powerful, and it helps me to find out and see where my leads are at throughout my funnel. If they are good, if where they got to my page, did they go all the way through, right? Instead of just relying on my clicks and on the tags that I add on the clicks. So here with the CRM, I'm actually going to show you guys how to do this and see the process, whether your lead is hot, warm, or cold. But first we need to create a funnel. So I created a quick one right here. So here we have an opt-in page. Okay, there's the opt-in page. There's a confirmation, email confirmation page, which is kind of like our slash thank you page if you guys have seen my training. Because here I tell them to check the emails, but if they're in a hurry, I give them an option to click on a button and go to the next page, which normally is the thank you page, but here it would be your business opportunity page. Okay, and then I always like to have a guide to join page, meaning I guide you on how to join my network marketing business, and then that page has a button that sends you to the MLM or network marketing sign up page. Okay, so we have that here. I already generated it, I saved it, and we have it right here. So just to make this video a little bit shorter, I'm not going to go through the process of connecting the dots because you guys should know this, but there shouldn't be much connecting the dots because you already did everything here. You connected the dots here in the Cheetah Builder. You see the URLs right here. Everything's already connected. So there's really not much for you to do but to edit the buttons and your content that's going inside each page. So I didn't do much editing because I just want to show you guys the basics on how to do this. Now, to make use of the CRM, you guys need to activate it by going over here where it says site settings. And I already have it active right here. CRM, it's enabled. So we're good to go there. And then so that it can actually start working, you yourself need to opt into your page and go through the process. Well, not even go through the process, but at least just activate it by actually going through your opt-in page. Okay, so don't think that once you hit CRM and then you check the CRM app over here, it's gonna register. You first need to go through it like I did over here. I went through it once and then I did some changes and I decided to use a different email. And as you can see, it shows my leads. They were cold, warm, and hot. Cold, warm, and hot. This is how the process is supposed to be. This is where I had it wrong. I named it wrong, but then I fixed it. But we're gonna do that, guys. We're going to see how we can actually do this. So once you guys have already opted in, and you should open your CRM. And so let's just refresh this. And then you would see your websites here that have the CRM active. So we have this website right here, the how hot is your lead. Then we have here these other funnels that I added CRM but didn't do anything with them. But here we have a website, and let's go over here where it says origin and steps. So then we want to click on our website that appeared. And here it actually shows you all the steps inside the page. Okay. So here you have the opt-in page, the email confirmation page, the thank you page, and then the guide to join page. And what I did, I actually added tags to each of these pages. And I did that by clicking the little button right here. And here it gives me what's the interaction type. Somebody saw this page. That's when I want this tag to be activated and added. So the previous page was the opt-in page. And all this, it's already filled out for you. You don't have to do anything here. Here is where you have to add the tags. So I wrote the word code, and that's the tag that I wanted. Maybe I wanted the tag to be code D or code D or whatever you want to call it, and then you would click add, but we're not going to do that. We already have the tag code. Then when do you want this to happen? At 0 seconds. So I'll leave that as is. And what do you want to do? So in reality, you don't have to actually add this. So actually no action. Let's just leave that like that. So no action on the confirm email because they already opted into that list. Now, let's say they get to the thank you page now, which is the page that they're going to see the business opportunity. Okay, I forgot to change this to business opportunity, but you guys will see that it is the business opportunity. This is where they will see a video about the MLM. So I will press edit right here. And page visited, that's how I want it to add the tag. And then, like I said, all this, you don't have to worry. And the previous step was the confirm email page. This you can change if you want to, if maybe your pages are not in order, but luckily mine are, so we'll leave that as is. Then I went to tags, added the word warm, 0 seconds, and I want them to be moved from the magic button list to the warm list. And I press update. Now let's say that now I have a hot lead, right? This lead saw the opportunity page, they saw the business presentation, so they press on the other button that tells them, okay, I'm ready to join. So now they go to a page where I am explaining on how they can sign up and what button to press and what to do. So this is another cheetah page. And just to remind you, you can only track pages that are within Builderall, okay? So we have this, and I added the tag. Everything's the same right here. Previous step was thank you. I added the tag hot. And what I wanted to do is move from list. So I wanted to move from the warm list to the hot list. And save. All right. Let's just refresh. Everything's good. All right. So we have these. So these are my tests that I did. So let's see what happens now when we actually test it out. So as you can see, I have nothing here because I deleted everything. So we're going to actually go through the funnel. Let's open up the page. And let me just show you guys. I'm going to go to the opt-in page right here, so you guys can see what I did. Right, I have a little video and then I have them opt in. I know it's a weird place to put it. I was just messing around. Then they go to the confirmation page. And then, like I said, I usually would have a video here telling them to go check their email, but also giving them the option to go to the next page by clicking here. And then this is the thank you page, which is our business opportunity presentation. So this would be, let's say, a webinar replay that you have. And then they'll watch this video and they're ready to start, which we then send them to our join page, which that page is actually a video of you going through the process of signing up to your MLM, so you can guide them and show them exactly what it is that they need to do to join your business, right? You want to make sure that they do everything correctly so that there's no errors. And that's it, right? They click this and then a new page is open. But of course, not within Builderall. It's a page. It's your MLM sign up page. Okay. So you guys now see the pages. That's what you would go through. So let's actually go and test it out. Let me open up Chrome. Let's paste and go. All right. So let's put here. No, let's put Emily. Oh wait, email. Okay, email. Let's do Jean at simplesadvertising.com. Okay, and then name. Let's put Emily. So let's get instant access. So I arrived to this page. I would watch a video, but before I click on anything, let's actually check out the actual CRM. So if we refresh the CRM, you see that it says Emily. Emily because I didn't put no last name. I just put Emily. So Emily is cold. So let's check our email list right here. Let's refresh. So here we have magic button, right? That's Emily, right? There you go. It is cold. And I haven't confirmed, so let's actually go and confirm this. So I have a confirmed opt-in. Let me see. Oh, I have to go switch here. Let's go to my email real quick. And we're confirmed. And now I'm in the MLM business presentation. So let's check out what happened here now in the CRM. Let's refresh. Now it says that I am warm. Let's go to mailing boss. So let's go to list. Now I'm no longer in the magic button. I'm now in the warm list. And even though this is a double opt-in email list, since I've already been confirmed on the previous list, which was the magic button list, now as you can see, it says warm. And here it says Emily, everything's confirmed. So the CRM, refresh, everything is warm. Now let's go and let's go, I'm ready. And then here is the instruction page to show you how to sign up. Right, so this is the join guide page. So watch this, so click. So if we go here, I guess I have refreshed it. So let's just be sure. Yeah, it's right there. Hot. So now Emily was cold. She went from warm and then she went to a hot lead. And what we did on Mailing Boss, let's go back to our list. We wanted her to be moved from warm to the hot list. So let's click subscriber. And now you see it says hot. So what's good about this? What's the point of actually doing this? This is so that you can actually either do two things. You can send an email to only your hot list, meaning these are people that are actually doing something in your funnels. They're actually clicking. They actually went through the process. So you know that when they check their emails, they're going to do something. They're going to sign up. They're going to read. They're going to watch. So you know that this is a good list. Now, if you have a warm list, you know that they didn't finish the whole process of the funnel. So you know you can now send them emails or set up an email campaign or an autoresponder, right? Just with this list, so that anybody that is still on the warm list will get maybe a 30-day follow-up, 7, 10, whatever you want to do, follow-up emails reminding them that they need to join and go through the process of signing up and send them to the video guide sign up page. Okay, and then of course you have your code. I didn't name it code, right? It just has magic button because this is the list that I have made before. You could either leave it code or just leave it as the name of your funnel that you created, and maybe this you can call it magic funnel warm list, magic funnel hot list, or you know, MLM company list, right? Let me think of one real quick. My econ, there you go. So my econ list, then you have my econ warm list, my econ hot list, right? You can, when it comes to name, that's up to you. It's just the tags that you have to make sure that they're all the same and that they're matching. The reason being because instead of you maybe sending an email according to each list, maybe what you want to do is actually send an email to everybody at the same time. So you can send an email to those people that have the tags hot and those that have the tags warm. Or you can just send an email to the hot list. Now, if you guys want to know more on how to use the CRM better and in more detail, I know I just touched it a little bit. You can actually go inside Jackie's group. Jackie did an amazing training on it. Let me see if I can open it. Well, you guys can just go. I'll leave a link to her group, and you guys can search in her group. CRM. That's funny. These nuts. So you guys can actually go to Jackie's group right here, and you can actually search or use her bot. This is what I recommend. Instead of you searching, just go click over here, click on her bot, and you guys can see what she has going on. Let's see. My name is Jean. All right, we all have this in our groups. Okay. Register later. All right. Yes, I am. So you guys can see. And there you go. So here you have super checkout, shipping, web design. She has everything here. And this is where you guys want to go. Email and CRM. So what I'm going to do for you guys, I'm just gonna cut here and I will paste it here so you guys can actually go and see this training. And another thing that I'll do probably a watch party this Thursday, and we'll all watch this amazing training that Jackie has done for us when it comes to CRM. It's great that we have an amazing team like this because I might not know everything about CRM, right? I'm learning as much as I can as Builderall grows. But if somebody already learned it, perfected it, and already taught it, especially between the five of us, right? The hashtag Mag5, right? Magnificent 5. Then I leverage that. So I leverage Jackie's knowledge that she already has, and you guys can learn from it instead of waiting for me to create these videos about CRM. So make sure you guys go watch these videos, get the basics and the advanced training that Jackie does on CRM. Alright guys, and that's it for tonight. Once again, don't forget, go build it with Builderall. Alright guys, have a good night. Take care. Peace.